CH4 Lewis structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1 valence electron, but here we have 4 hydrogen, so multiplied by 1. So we are getting 4 plus 4, that totally we are getting 8 valence electron. This 8 valence electron has 2 tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy the duet for hydrogen and octet for carbon. So let me connect. So for connecting, just place 2 dot for every pair. So look, 2, 4, 6, 8. We have used 8 valence electrons, and here totally we have 8. Now check for duet. This hydrogen has fulfilled its duet. This hydrogen has also fulfilled its duet. Duet, duet. Now check for octet of carbon. This carbon has fulfilled its octet. So this is the Lewis structure. You can replace this bonding pair by a dash, by a line or dash. So this is the Lewis structure. Carbon has 4 valence electrons, so it will share more 4 electrons, so it will make 4 bonds. Hydrogen has 1, so it will share 1 electron to fulfill its duet, so it will form 1 bond.